Today, I'm here to make just one video. As you can see, this place is very wonderful and it's look like awesome and I will describe something about this place. Just look at the view. It has a lot of trees, grasses. If you are very hectic person, like you have a lot of works to do every single day, I will told you to travel with your family some other places like Cox's Bazar. Who has a lot of money, they usually leave this place. As you can see, it is look like awesome and charming. And I'm prefer to live here, but I don't have enough money to live here, and I'm very poor. That's why it's my dream. This is a very big playground. A lot of people they're enjoying their life by playing football. This is football time. A lot of people playing football.